Alright everyone, so check out this new paper airplane. I'm going to hold the plane right here and throw it straight. Okay, so check it out. Just look like this and go! Ooh, no, 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 no! Hello everybody, welcome to TriKdanG channel, and today I'm going to teach you how to make a new awesome paper airplane. To make the paper airplane, you will need a piece of your letter size paper. If you do not have your letter size paper, as always, use A4 paper and it should work very well. First step, let's fold the paper in half horizontally. So start from this edge, fold it toward the other edge. Make sure that all edges are lined up, and I just adjust it a little bit like this, and then press down the paper. Press it down. Then I unfold the paper. Now I have the center crease. I will start from this upper edge. I fold both sides of the edge here to the center crease. So fold this side to the center crease first. And I will stop right here. I press down the paper. I repeat the same fold for the opposite side. Start from this edge, fold it down, and I hold the paper like this. And I press it down. Oh, so this looks nice. Next, as you can see, there's a triangle shape right here. I fold this triangle shape down. I'll use the center crease. It's a preference, so when I fold out, I just fold it down slowly. And I can press the paper. And see the paper is. On the following step, I will flip the paper over. I place the paper like this. And I'll start from this upper edge. I fold both sides of this edge to the center crease. So this side to the center crease first, and I press the paper down, and then I repeat the same fold for the opposite side. Start from this edge, adjust the paper, and I press it down. You can see that I can press down the paper. And next step, I will open this part of the paper like this. See this edge? Open it and fold it to the center crease like this. Not the center crease, fold to the edge like this. And press it down. Adjust it. Adjust it. And then I repeat the same fold for this side of the paper. So open this pocket. Pop it down, press until I can match the upper edge to the edge below. Then I can press the paper. This is almost done, everyone. Next step is very simple. I can flip the paper over. Now I can start from this edge of the paper and fold to the center crease. I will fold like this. You can see how I fold. Hold the paper down and press it down. Press this down here. Repeat the same fold for the opposite side. So I can place the paper like this to show you guys how to I fold it. And this basically I repeat the same step that I did earlier. So start from this edge, fold it toward the center crease. You see now I can press the paper down. Look at this. Now it looks very nice. On the following step, I'm going to create the wing of the plane. Why I say wing? Because I create one wing first and the second wing will be after. Okay, so I create this wing first, adjust it a little bit. I can use the intersection of the edge and the crease below as a reference. I can pull it out, and then try to match this edge here to the corner below. So adjust it a little bit. Now it looks fine. You can see there is a little triangle shape right here. That's completely okay. And I repeat the same for the opposite side. I fold this layer up. I pull the edge, and I can just like fold it up a little bit more, and then just press it down. Alright. And the next step is very simple. It just lock all the pieces together. So start from this edge, fold it toward the center crease. Okay, adjust the paper a little bit, fold it toward the center crease, and I can press down. Here we go. And then I repeat the same fold for the opposite side. You can just fold it here, press down the paper, and then I can lock everything. This is a cool one. Next step is very simple, right? So after all the steps, now I can just flip the paper and fold the paper in half, press down the paper, and start from this up edge. I can fold straight to this edge. Well, if we fold that way, I will need to make sure that I pull both layers. So now we have two layers, so pull it together. If I fold like this, it doesn't look nice, so I fold it down a little bit more. See, just adjust it. When you get used to how to fold paper airplane, you will have a sense of how to create the wings. So I fold it down like this. Just use your sense, everyone. Flip the paper over now. Repeat the same fold. Right, now we have the other side as a reference. I can just match it. Just match it. And now I can press the paper down. Alright, so let me adjust the paper a little bit more. Press it down. It looks very, very nice. Let me open the paper. Now you have a cool looking paper airplane. We need to adjust it a little bit. So let me fold this part of the paper up. Now I finish this side, and then I repeat the same fold for the other side. Pull this one up. And here you go, everyone. This is a new paper airplane. I hope that you guys enjoy making the plane along with me. Don't forget to like the video, share the tutorial with your friends, and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching, and see you next time. Bye bye.